You are watching channel Maths and Methods Academy. In this video we are going to see how a quadratic equation can be solved with the help of a quadratic formula. So let's go for it. The given quadratic equation in this case is x squared plus 7x plus 11 is equal to 0. We will compare this equation with the general form of quadratic equation, which looks like ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now we will compare the coefficient of x square x and the term which is without x. X square is not having any coefficient, which means it is 1. So we will compare the coefficients of the first equation, which is this one, including the sign of these numbers. Like we will be considering plus with 11, plus with 7 and plus with 1. As long as it is plus, it is not going to make any difference, but if it is minus, then it makes the difference and it needs to be considered along with the number itself. So when we compare this one, we will find out that a is equal to 1, b is equal to 7, c is equal to 11. Now we will substitute these values of a, b and c in quadratic formula. Our quadratic formula looks like x is equal to minus b plus minus b squared minus 4ac over 2a so x is equal to minus b7 plus minus square of 7 minus 4 into 1 into 11 2 into 1 minus 7 plus minus 49 minus 4 into 11 is 44 over 2 minus 7 plus minus 49 minus 44 is 5 over 2 as we can see, this right term is no longer can no longer be simplified further, because we cannot find the square root of 5, although we can find it, but it will not be a whole number. So we will leave it like this. We will not go into the fractions, like we will not go to the points answer like point something something 2 point something. We will not write, we will leave it as it is. So in this case our two roots are x is equal to minus 7 plus square root of 5, or the second one will be minus 7 minus square root of 5 over 2. So our solution set will be minus 7 plus square root of 5 over 2 and minus 7 minus square root of 5 over 2, which is the answer of this equation. So that's it for this time. Please don't forget to share, like and subscribe this video. Until next time, please take care of yourself and bye bye.